Here are 20 old-school, surprising tips for stocking your pantry the grandma way, bringing forgotten practices back to life. Remedy 1. Honey and lemon for sore throats. This remedy combines the natural antibacterial properties of honey with the vitamin C and citric acid of lemon to create a soothing elixir for sore throats. Honey acts as a demulcent, forming a protective film over the throat, reducing irritation and allowing it to heal. Lemon, on the other hand, provides a boost of vitamin C, which is crucial for the immune system's function, and its acidity helps break down mucus, making it easier to expel. Remedy 2. Ginger tea for digestion. Ginger is a carminative, which means it helps to eliminate excessive gas from the digestive system. It is also a spasmolytic, relaxing the gastrointestinal muscles to soothe an upset stomach. Drinking ginger tea can stimulate saliva, bile, and gastric juice production, enhancing digestion. The active component in ginger, gingerol, has been extensively researched for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antiemetic properties. Remedy 3. Apple cider vinegar for arthritis. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar is believed to have anti-inflammatory effects that can help alleviate arthritis symptoms. It's thought to help dissolve mineral buildups and harmful toxins within the joint's connective tissue. Diluting apple cider vinegar with water and consuming it or applying it directly to the inflamed area can help reduce pain and improve mobility. Remedy 4. Turmeric milk for inflammation. Turmeric's active ingredient, curcumin, has been shown to have strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. When combined with warm milk, the fat from the milk can enhance the absorption of curcumin in the body. This drink, often referred to as golden milk, can reduce systemic inflammation, aiding in the relief of conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even depression. Remedy 5. Garlic for immune support. Garlic contains compounds such as allicin, which is known for its disease-fighting response. It boosts the disease-fighting response of certain types of white blood cells in the body when they encounter viruses such as the common cold or flu. Garlic's immune-boosting properties are attributed to its heavy concentration of sulfur-containing compounds. Remedy 6. Aloe vera for skin burns. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, which contribute to its healing properties. It provides a protective layer on burns, which helps retain moisture and promotes healing. The cooling effects of aloe vera gel can soothe sunburn, reduce inflammation, and facilitate skin repair by increasing collagen synthesis and cross-linking. Remedy 7. Chamomile tea for relaxation. Chamomile contains several terpenoids and flavonoids, contributing to its medicinal properties. It has been used traditionally for centuries to induce sleep, relieve stress, and calm anxiety. Chamomile tea's mild sedative effects may help improve sleep quality by relaxing the nerves and muscles. Remedy 8. Saltwater gargle for sore throat. A saltwater gargle helps in soothing sore throats and killing bacteria. Salt has natural antibacterial properties, and when dissolved in warm water, it can help reduce swelling and cleanse the throat. Gargling with salt water can also loosen mucus, making it easier to flush out irritants or bacteria. Remedy 9. Banana for heartburn. Bananas are a natural antacid providing relief from acid reflux and heartburn. They contain high amounts of potassium, which is an alkalizing mineral that helps reduce stomach acid level. The natural fibers in bananas can also aid in the digestive process, preventing the recurrence of heartburn. Remedy 10. Peppermint oil for headaches. The menthol in peppermint oil acts as a natural analgesic, soothing pain in the body. Applying peppermint oil topically to the forehead and temples can create a cooling sensation that relaxes the muscles in those areas, potentially relieving headache symptoms. Its vasodilating and vasoconstricting properties can help control blood flow in the body, which is particularly useful in headaches caused by tension or poor circulation. Remedy 11. Oatmeal bath for itchy skin. Colloidal oatmeal has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it an excellent treatment for itching and irritated skin. The phenols in oatmeal can provide a protective barrier on the skin, which helps reduce irritation and retain moisture. An oatmeal bath can soothe the itching and discomfort associated with conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Remedy 12. Cucumber for puffy eyes. The high water content in cucumbers makes them excellent for hydrating the skin, while the cool temperature decreases blood flow to the area, reducing swelling. Cucumbers also contain ascorbic and caffeic acid, which help reduce water retention and the puffiness around the eyes. Remedy 13. Potato slices for minor burns. The starch in potatoes can help draw out heat from a burn, providing pain relief. Potatoes also have anti-inflammatory properties and can keep the skin moist, which is crucial for the healing process. Applying a slice of raw potato to a minor burn can help soothe the pain and reduce the risk of blistering. Remedy 14. Basil leaves for fever. Basil is a potent antipyretic, which means it can help reduce fever. The essential oils in basil leaves, including eugenol, linalool, and citronellol, can help lower body temperature and fight against infections caused by bacteria, viruses, or fungi. Remedy 15. Honey for cuts and scrapes. The viscosity of honey forms a protective barrier to prevent infection, while its acidic axis can help inhibit bacterial growth. Honey is also a natural humectant, drawing moisture out of the environment and into the wound, which can help promote healing and prevent scarring. Remedy 16. Epsom salt for muscle pain. Epsom salt, composed of magnesium sulfate, can be absorbed through the skin, providing the body with magnesium, which is crucial for muscle function. Soaking in an Epsom salt bath can help relieve muscle cramps, reduce inflammation, and detoxify the body. Remedy 17. Tea tree oil for acne. Tea tree oil's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects make it a powerful tool against acne. By applying it to the skin, it can penetrate the skin surface to disinfect pores, dry out blemishes, and prevent further outbreaks without stripping the skin of its natural oils. Remedy 18. Lavender oil for sleep. Lavender oil's calming scent affects the limbic system, the part of the brain that controls emotions, making it an effective natural remedy for anxiety and insomnia. Studies have shown that inhaling lavender oil before bed can increase sleep quality and duration. Remedy 19. Cabbage leaves for inflammation. Cabbage leaves are known for their anti-inflammatory and estrogen-like effects, which can help reduce swelling and relieve pain. This is particularly useful for conditions like mastitis or engorgement in breastfeeding women. The phytochemicals in cabbage, such as sulforaphane and indolase, can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. Remedy 20. Onion for earaches. Onions have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe earaches. The warmth of a freshly cut onion can help relieve pain, while its compounds can fight infection. Placing a warm onion poultice on the outer ear can provide relief from earache symptoms. These remedies, steeped in tradition and supported by modern research, offer a glimpse into the rich legacy of natural healing. Integrating these simple yet effective cures into our lives can not only address specific health concerns, but also foster a deeper connection with the natural world and its abundant resources. Remember, while these remedies are powerful, they should complement rather than replace conventional medical treatment, especially in severe cases. Always consult with a healthcare professional before trying new treatments, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are pregnant.